i-Unscramble Life with Slee. Bethuna ndizomane ndiyitsho lento apha kuni. Asiyonto ngaphandle kweni because silapha nje uzibona nihleli nalo bhuti Mthethele. It's because of nina niyezinike ixesha lenu, nisisupport, nisipromote, nishare, nicomment, nisubscribe. Yenza njengangoku njengoba wena uyazazi baba ungeka subscribe. Ndicela wenze njengangoku. Ubhuti Mthethele nayo nizawuziva zakhe inkundla zakhe zokuxhumana as we go. Ningalibaleke guys. Xa senimamele naqonda bakhona into esingathethanga ngazo, make sure ukuba uyabhala phayana kuma comments, ubhuti naye uzobe khona uzoniphendula ngendlela azobe kwazi ngayo. Bhuti wami. Ngiyaphila.
Yeah, ngiyaphila.
Ubhuti onephimbo guys, onephimbo le radio.
Yeah.
Ube mysterious kuba le voice lene ngathi kuno Barry White lana cabanga nje makavuka ekseni uyaphila.
Awu bathi ngiqabaqaba
Okweqabule vinini.
Yeah.
Welcome man.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu izandla esifudumele lo muzi omuhle. Hayi.
So much.
Nami ngize ngifika la ekhaya.
Ngibonga isikhathi sakho. I know you are a very busy person, but sparing your time for me, it's very, very appreciated by me. Bengizocela ke ukuthi uzazise kubantu abasibukele right now ku Unscramble Life.
Okay. Yeah, Mthethele lo ngambonani Sibongo.
Yes.
Kahle ngibuya ke emakhaya KZN la ngibuya khona eMsinga. So la eGoli nje ngafika ke nje ngisemncane ngikhula la ngafika eGoli. But nje izalo yami nguye ekhaya eMsinga encengene esithubini la ngibuya khona.
Yazi unento yokubahlala abantu batsho abantu basemsinga phela mabese musu badine kahle azothi uyangazi mina ngelusa mina ngibuya eMsinga.
Yeah. Hayi silukulusa silusile impela.
Yes.
Yeah, uzweni imvula iphelele kuwena konke kuthiwa nje inkomo lazingalalanga la ekhaya nala nimbuyi la ekhaya.
Yangihlekisa njalo mangizwa lo part leyo kuthi nje nokudla njengeni kuthola.
Yeah, hayi.
So now I want to know uye wazalelwa khona eMsinga or uzalelwe ngala?
Ngizalelwe khona eMsinga.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then uzalwa kwi structure esinjani ekhaya? Because njengami mina ngizalelwe eEastern Cape. Ngasala nogogo.
Okay.
Abazali bezangala.
Yeah.
And then when time goes by kwakhani ngizeGoli. So how was it for you njengoba before uze la cause uthuze umncane ngala?
Ekhaya nje ngiyabonga umbuzo wakho. So sikhula nje ngakuphakamisa ukuthi sikhula enkolweni. Sikhula ubaba nabazali bami nje bezizele basikhulise ngokwenkolo. Isimo ke ngingasisho ukuthi uyazi ukuthi emakhaya kunjani kuba nzima struggle ukubona ukuthi kunzima. Ngibonga kakhulu abazali bami umama kakhulu owasikhulisa ngenalutho ezama. Uyabona kumuntu nje othi yazini abantwana bami ngababona ikusasa labo linjalo. Angasibonisa le side lokuthi noma sibone ukuthi khona kuyasinda.
Yes.
Kodwa besipha lelo themba ukuthi hayi kuzolunga. So sikholisile sambi long distance esikoleni. Ufica umama lapha esilindile laphana ngeke ngisho ukuthina esiphekela kodwa sidla kahle. Yeah, kodwa nje sikhule nje isimo khona ubona ukuthi impilo inzima kodwa nje umama walokho esikhulise njalo. Then ke kuya ke sikhula ke kodwa nje wasesaqeda ke esikoleni ngemizamo yakhe.
Yes.
So nje sikhulela impela emakhaya rural areas emakhaya.
Ekephi ubaba ngaleso sikhathi?
Ubaba ekhona naye ukhona naye zama Nkosi yami la eGoli ngoba ngisho ukuthi yazi ke into isikhathi nesikhathi impilo ayifani. Nawe ekhona la eGoli zama okuthena ubona ukuthi ulokhu yavela kodwa sibonisa impilo into ebibaleke kakhulu ngoba ngisho ukuthi ukukholwa kwabo nokuhlala enkolweni ubona siphila uyazi na uhlele uNkulunkulu uyikho neBhayibheli isho ukuthi ungakhathazeki ukuthi uzodlala. Sibona uNkulunkulu esihlanganisela nje siphila. Hawu uphileka singanakanga into eningi yazi na ungabhekanga uphila nje uNkulunkulu akunikela lo thuba lelo ukuthi uphile. Kodwa nje ubona ukuthi impilo yona ikhona siyayifuna.
So now I want to know this, right? Njengoba uyasho ukuthi ukhulele esontweni neBhayibheli liyasho ba mina nendlu yami sekumkhonzo Yehova ophilayo.
Yeah.
So how was it like your umntwana omaziyo uNkulunkulu ukhulela esontweni and then being around other kids mhlamba abanenkolo different? Did you feel ukuthi okay I'm different to these people? And then was it taboo for you to see other people not going to church or abantu babengakhulumi ngoNkulunkulu at that time as growing?
Ngiyabonga kwasiza kakhulu thina ngithi nje kwangisiza kakhulu ukukhulela enkolweni ngoba kunentimbe kanti ebitshaleka ukuthi okay ububona futhi umehluko ukuthi okay ukuhlala enkolweni nokuhlala uNkulunkulu khona umehluko than umuntu onganakanga uyabona yesike iphiwa zifana khona nje umuntu oziphilela nje ephilela impilo yakhe ephumelela uyabo kanti uNkulunkulu vele imthanda njalo ayinaka usitshela nje ukuthi hayi anginandaba noNkulunkulu kodwa uNkulunkulu uhleli kuyena angithasifani but mina ngaba nenhlanhla ukuthi ngimazi kuleso simo kunjalo so kungisizile kakhulu ukuthi okay uNkulunkulu ubaleka kanganani empilweni yomuntu.
And then uzese unangaki lana eGoli?
Hey ngangimncane kakhulu I'm sure ngangingoma 15.
Okay, but I think you still remember, right? From transition manje from emakhaya ufike eGoli. How was it for you? Imoto emgaqweni into obungajwayele phela imoto emakhaya sibona imoto iseza lapha ya futhi yazi ukuthi imoto yakephi and ayigijimi. So uyafika ke eGoli una 15, it's a different lifestyle. How was it for you?
Kimi yabona ngiqala ngithi ngeGoli kwabona lesi excitement ukuthi yabona ngiqala ngena kwi-freeway ngithiwa nali Joburg hey kwakukhanya umuntu fika kwenye indawo ama lights nje sifika I remember ukuthi impela ngathi nangifika ngabona ukuthi ngifika kwelinye ilizwe ke so ngafika leSoweto ke lahlala khona eDronkop ibizwe Snake Park.
Okay, Snake Park?
Yes.
Yazi mina ngithuka ngisuke Soneville ekhaya kuSoneville.
Okay ngiyabona kodwa ukuthi hayi khona
ekhaya kuSoneville. Oh wow, it's such a small world. So wafikile eDoornkop isikhathi ama-mine so ubaba wayesebenza mine because iDoornkop indawo yabantu basemine.
Wayizama nje yazi sidala umuntu wayenesiphiwo sokuthi nayihlanganisile
kuhlangana
inhlabathi zakhe besiphila ngazo. So ngafikela ke khona ke wabona sikhula kanti ngizoba lenhlanhla ngizovela ngafika ngathola isikole lapha eZola basibiza iDr Vilakazi yabona ubuye emakhaya uzongena esikoleni sase eJoburg. I remember lapha nofika nangakuhlekisa kancane ngathi nangifika ngibona ukuthi igama lasemakhaya ngithi ngimthethelile so nangifika lapha ngiyabona ngifuna ukungena kwi-style nami ngimi yabona izimix lapha ngathi ayazi negama lami ngiyalishintsha lesikoleni ngazibiza uSithandwa yabona
yelinye igama lakho lelo
abangalazi femi ekhaya balazi fika ngazibiza uSithandwa ngenzela le vibe ukuthi nami ngambukeleke ukuthi hayi yabona ngithi ngibambe style
so ulenza official ulibhala phansi
isikole sonke bangazi ngoSithandwa so kanti kuzokwenzeka bezongifuna efamily lekhaya befika esikoleni bebiziwe nje ezama parents bayafika esikoleni bathi bona sifuna umthetheleli hayi bamangela umthetheleli hayi umthetheleli nasinayela baze bachaza hayi umthetheleli wambonana bathi hayi thina sinosithandwa wambonana hey
why did you choose that name though?
Like nje ngangenzela nje ukuzimix yabona ukuthi
feeling ngathi igama lakho alikho
ngiseGoli phela Johannesburg manje yazi ukukhula ke ufuna ufike endaweni.
So now how do you explain to your parents now ukuthi why you so busy
manje bamangala yabo manje abayikhohla bayahleka wathi yazwena Joburg izobeza ezinye izinto
so babengakuboni njengomxhaka type of thing. And were you not bullied esikoleni at that time as umntwana ubuye emakhaya? Obviously lifestyle is different, nenkulumo ayifani.
No, ngabonga kakhulu nami ngamukeleka lapha because bekumix nje isikole sebesi right and then sithanda abantu kakhulu alesa sikhathi sethu and kune yonke ama subjects ekhona abo Venek yabona kumix ngaku right kakhulu.
So now I discovered ukuthi that's where intshisekelo yakho yetalent lakho yaqala khona. Take me to that day. What was it le yafika athi ngiyayithanda lento and ngiyafuna ukuyiphila lento. On that day kwakwenzakalani uze udecide ukuba part of the choir and everything khona lapho esikoleni?
Ngiyabonga kakhulu le choir yazisuka kuphi isuka ngisesemakhaya.
Okay.
So nangabuyela kancane emuva kushuthi kune group ebizwa namanje sesekhona bayibiza Soweto Gospel Choir.
Bizwa?
Soweto Gospel Choir.
Oh, the Soweto Gospel Choir.
Yes.
What? Yes.
So emakhaya TV beyazi bekusenzima ukuyibuka ithona kuno TV so ibuye yabona nje sivakasha sobuka TV omunye umuzi sibuka. So yona bese ivela idlala ke TV ngalezo sikhathi. Yabona. Should nje kube nalento ethi hey yabona one day ngifuna ukucula la kule choir. So nje ngibuke lo ngilandelela ngifunda ngithanda nje le choir Soweto Gospel Choir. Kanti uNkulunkulu uzongilethe eJohannesburg nase ngila eGoli and then ke it's when nginayo inkolo nje ngithanda umculo ngulandelela kancane kancane yazi uNkulunkulu ngamandla akhe I remember bengiseBalfour ngiyoshootha bengenza nje acting extras yabona silokungena kancane ngiyayenza nayo so nangilaphana ngalelo langa le uNkulunkulu uzongenzela umusa kanti uzowenza ukuthi ahlanganise iSoweto Gospel Choir zoperforma lapho advertiser something umunye ubhuti wayisebenza khona emanagement so kanti nami ngizile ngizo actor la so ngixoxa nomunye ubhuti ngithi hey le choir wathi lo muntu hayi ubhuti oyi director iSoweto Gospel Choir lo bese ngithi yazi ngifuna kanjani ukuba lapha kule group le athi abantu bayazana baxhumene khona lapha mbiza athi awufethu yazi nginomthethelele la yazi ufuna ukujoina le choir le from lapho athi change ama numbers and then I remember nangabethi bare ama rehearsals zabo anini so nase ngiphethe ama numbers zabo ngiyafona ngilinda ngithi ngiyakukhumbuza bhuti ukuthi bothe ngikuthinte athi nje ngoza ngakusasa uze ku rehearsal kwiSoweto Choir ngiyakhona eshawela and I started to rehearsal nabo kwaba mnandi nini kwaba nethonga azibona sengiphuma nami.
But did you know that time ukuthi une talent wena? You knew ukuthi ungafitha lapha yana. Did you know ukuthi unalo iphimbo layo lento origin?
Anginayo isitshele nje kodwa nginalento ethi ngifuna ukuba lapha.
Okay.
Yabona. So kanti yena uzoza ukuthi ngiveni ngayizwa ivoice yakhe ibass and then ngiyinidi ibass.
Yes.
Kanjalo ngangena ngafitha ngangithora nabo ke ngihamba amazwe. France, Australia, I can name them.
Yazini, I remember those days. Peak Soweto Gospel Choir. We were all watching Ingabantu more of isgubu. Even the attire was different, was representing Africa, which I recently find out ukuthi kune traditional gospel, kune contempt and all that. What's the difference? Because njengathi thina abantu mina ngazi nje ukuthi kune praise ne worship. What's useparate kanjani umulalele wena ukuthi okay, this is traditional gospel, this is praise, this is worship, this is contempt, this is modern, this is what? Uzehlula kanjani as mina umuntu ongazi
ukuthi okay this engakusho nje ukuthi kuyezwakala.
Okay.
Because kakhulu kakhulu bashama lokhu njane instrumental uyafeel ukuthi okay ichon manje ingisa worship uyabona so iyakutshela nje and then traditional iyakubonisa futhi nakhona ukuthi ikulandela isinto imix nesinto this traditional bona uthola kuyagidwa isiqi kuyagidwa kwenzwani kuphoniswa ngomzimba wakho talent yabona yonke lonto le so yonke lonto ke iba khona yenzeka so just that ukuthi nawe uyazifeel ukuthi okay nami ngibuya kule ndawo ngibuya kuphi so ngiyafithe naye yami ngiyazwakala yazi ukuthi this is music yonke into yakutshela ukuthi ubani you have to ukuthi expose.
So now uyi superstar uSoweto Gospel Choir kwenzakalani emndenini because I know the moment uba ku something a big whether ukuphi siba khona ingqinamba. There will be temptations, there will be abantu abazo expect izinto kuwena. So how was it for you ne journey Soweto Gospel Choir and you handling yourself ungamkhohlwa uNkulunkulu wakho kuzo zonke izinto because I believe not wonke umuntu obeka Soweto Gospel Choir umuntu oyesontweni, right? Beningabantu abahlukile. So how did you keep yourself ukuthi ungamkhohlwa uNkulunkulu noma kufika ama temptations and all that and handling family yakho as well?
No ngiyabonga into ebalekile ukuthi vele beke kimi yabona ukuthi uNkulunkulu nabe ephila kuwe ikhona lesikhathi afika lokukhumbuza ukuthi hey uyazi ukuthi ubuya kuphi impilo yakho beyinjani yabona so kube nalolu valo lo lokuthi okay mina ngifani nalo nje oso nobani kodwa ngokuthi uNkulunkulu usuke evele kuwena usukungena choice yazi ukuthi unembezo yakutshela and then uthi okay lokho akumele ngikwenze yesikhula vele isuki youth ogcina kwesikhathi sokungenile kwezinye izinto kodwa ubone sewusheshe ubuya ukuthi okay lana bese ngilahleka yabona ngokuthi uNkulunkulu uphila kuwe uyakuguide yabona so and then kuyifamily uyazi ke isupport shembebe inazivela TV bengisupport nangithi ngihamba neSoweto choir bekumnandi yabona bawishela ukuthi siyafisa ukuthi nawe ufikele lapho kuhle kumnandi yabona
kunento engingayithandi ekuma families not nje kuma nobaba nama siblings like ama cousin and all that sebeqala manje bacela ama favor mntama angithengele airtime phela so ingqwele manje how was it for you? Didn't you feel overwhelmed? Because mina izinto ezinjalo sometimes ubona ukuthi base bacabanga ukuthi sinemalini usegoli yes ungibone TV but yes uNkulunkulu ungibusise ukuthi mhlambe ngikhona ukunakekela mina nomndeni wami and then we address kanjani leyo situation manje to the next person naye ofuna something kuwe and ukholela ukuthi uzoyithola and awunayo ngaleso sikhathi
ngoba kuyenzeka ukuthi umuntu athe ngiphathela just something overseas ngiphathela ifone nani ijazi ukuthi mina ngilomuntu ukuthi into nangikhona ngiyakhona ngiyakutshela nje kahle umnandi futhi sometimes noma ungacelanga ubona sengikuphathela or babona umuntu abona ukuthi or nje ukuthi hayi kuphelelwa kanakho lunakho yabonga ibalo umuntu oba honest ukuthi okay ungiphathele akakhonanga next time alungawari ngizokuphathela shune ngishiye alright ukuthi hayi kuzolunga yabona noma isimo singabe right ngakafiki lapho ubone ukuthi ayishe bayo ungithembisile or akakhoni lokho oluzokhona.
And then when did you get time now to go to church, to your church ngesikhathi ubiSoweto Gospel Choir?
Hayi isikhathi sikhona ngoba angithi asingeni njalo so nje bokwazi ukuthi ke okay ngama Sundays ukhona esontweni nanokuthi ke noma kusikhaya siyakhuthazana ngevangeli yabona kumnandi so nje isikhathi siba khona ke kakhulu siba khona.
Nginalento engifuna ukuyisho and I guess uzomphendula ngikhule ngingumntwana oyewa basemasontweni a different.
Okay.
Ngileza yona esigubhu. Ngile eSt John's. Ngile esontweni labazalwane.
Okay.
Onontente sibabiza onontente.
Amatente.
Tikrinkri.
Yes.
Kodwa I ended up learning kwaShembe.
Okay.
That was the last time I went to church.
When was it?
That was 22 years ago.
Okay.
So this what happens. It's not like, okay, mine it's last time. As a member, that's what I mean. Kwenzeka ukuthi abazali bangishiye and honestly I felt ukuthi isonto lami lingifailile. Because ngikhula ngumuntu otshela ukuthi isonto it's your second family.
Okay.
It's your second home.
Yes.
So losing my mother kwangekhona umuntu oyedwa. Kwangekhona umuntu oyedwa. What I didn't understand ukuthi abantu bebengekho abantu bethempele lami. I see uShembe as a whole who's cruel to me, but it's the members. Fast forward ke I tried ukuhamba amanye amasonto just ukuvakasha.
Okay.
Angikhona uconnect.
After so limele.
Yes, but ngiyaya. But it's so, how can I say this? It's so foreign to me. And manje sengene kakhulu emhlabeni wenyama. Akukho lula futhi ukubuyela emumva esontweni leli mina engikhuliswe kulona. But now there's this thing I struggle with. Do I really have to go to church or ngingakhona mina ukuthi ngibe ne-relationship noNkulunkulu wami, because I believe that God exists, which angenza futhi at some point ngiquestione lapho ngikhulele khona ukuthi kungani kufanele kuthiwe ngithi uNkulunkulu kababa ubani, kutheni ngingathi uNkulunkulu wami, right? And then I started having a relationship noNkulunkulu wami, ngiyakhuleka, ngiyalifunda iBhayibheli, kodwa angisiboni isidingo sokuya esontweni. So tell me, why should we go to church? Is it important ukuthi uye esontweni, or you can still umdumise uNkulunkulu wakho wedwa?
Hey, that's powerful. Yabona indaba yesonto ukuthi ilento ukuthi isize kuthini uhlala mhlawumbe endlini unezinto ohluleka ukuthi uzulwele uyiwani, bese ustart ukuthi okay athi ngesontweni thizeni ngiyazi laphana associate ngizokwazi ukuthi nalento isuke kumina, yabo, because of sometimes weak ngathini kuwe kunobuweak onyana ukuthi yahluleka kubu strong uzimela, but it is very important ukuthi ukwazi ukuzimela, so uzokwazi ukuthi Yesu ayekuthiwa mdumise wherever la ukhona, kuyavuka kuwena ukuthi noma ngabe usendlini yakho ekameleni lakho, leyo spirit ozoba naso ukuthi uzazi wena self. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi omunye umuntu kuba nzima ukuthi noma kuba kubilula ukuthi angene azokutshela ukuthi ubani ini ngoba uyas understand ukuthi okay uNkulunkulu nangikubiza manje ngiguqa ngithandaza nginaye endlini, and uNkulunkulu uzokulethela umusa, akulethele ijoy, akulethele whatever emnandi peaceful uyi-one, and then you take that and then uphila ngayo usuku nemini whatever. So awuzoba na lonely ukuthi manje okay nangilone mele ngicabanga ngesontweni ukuze ngizoba right. So it's very important ukuthi receive uNkulunkulu and then abe impilo yakho yonke. Uyavuka ekseni whatever wenzani, uyajiva or wenzani, kodwa nje akabe kuwe, it's when uzo understand ukuthi okay angidinga omunye umuntu ozongishumayeza ukuthi ngize ngithi uNkulunkulu kabani, kuzozazi ukuthi wena ubani noNkulunkulu wakho uphilayo. Yabona, so kuba kuhle konye umuntu ngabe ethe uthi unomuntu okugayidile wakubonisa indlela, that's why uzothi ngiyambonga uNkulunkulu kasili, because ungibonisa ungigayide wangibonisa indlela ukuthi ngiyaphila ngoNkulunkulu kasili ongisizile.
Why ngathi ngiyambonga uNkulunkulu wami ngawe?
Yes, okay.
But why funeka ngibonge ukuthi uNkulunkulu wakho ungisizile while now I've got my own God that I believe in?
That's why athi umuntu omunye umuntu ethi ungithandazise, yazi ungithandazise kwenzeka izinto, angithi namandla walingana, uthena ekukhulekisa loyana yazi kwathi gqo, hawu ila abantu abaningi bathothi umugcina sethi yo yazi uNkulunkulu kasiliye mali akamthandaza uvedale nje wakhuleka kwavuleka indlela. So nawe bathi akumele manje sowuthandaza lo muntu, kumele ingakho uthi uNkulunkulu kabani ngoba ubiza lo uNkulunkulu othena imbiza wamuzwa loya, yabo. So manje abantu abaningi gcina manje njani ke uthandaza lo muntu ke manje ukuthi ayi nami sengikholela kulo muntu, kanti bekubonisa nje uNkulunkulu ukuthi ngomkhuleko wakhe nokuthi uyakhuleka and uphila impilo right esheshe uNkulunkulu amuzwa, ukuthi wena kumele ubheke indlela nawe ukuthi okay nami nangenza njengaye ngibe ngizenza ukuthi uNkulunkulu angizwe, yabona, nama ngime kusho uNkulunkulu uyaphila ngempela umbizile kwenzeka.
But now we have this thing now I've noticed ukuthi there are people who are called men of God, right?
Yes.
Why iba nguman of God? Who am I mina njengomlandeli, mhlambe angithi I'm a member of your church and you are a pastor?
Yes.
Why should I call you a man of God? Who am I mina as a member? And why can't I acknowledge ukuthi I am a woman as well of God?
Yes, angithi it's like usazehlisile. If you can start now with I'm a woman of God, it's increasing and iyakhula. Uzothi nawe uthi lokhu ikhuluma naye istarte uqale la aqale khona wazitshela yena ukuthi yazi I'm a man of God. Nomuntu nayifika kuye I'm introduceana mhlambe uyazitshela ukuthi okay igama lami I'm a man of God. And then always and then indiyakhula bathi uzikhulisela wena, we have to take you serious ukuthi ubani, introducing yourself environment nakubantu.
So it's not something mhlambe efuneka ubekwe as isiqu, so like you're not crowned to be a man of God. You tell yourself
until ufike ukuthi bakubone ube crowd ukuthi okay, because into you attract into ofuna ukuba yiyona.
I like that.
You attract ukuthi okay, fana ukuthi nabo uphila nendlela engekho right, obvious endleleni ezingekho right.
Yes.
Nawo umfundisi obvious uzomuntu uvela angithi segazini. Bazokubona ukuthi ay lo baba lona mari lo mama lona uphila kanjani, ubani man, khona lento manje yabona iyavela seyikhulile ngeke sazifihle. Yabona, so it's when ke obvious into elwele nasegazini izovela ukuthi kahle kahle ulo muntu. Yabona, so it's depend ukuthi uthini ngomlomo wakho, ucabanga ini, what's your future yakho, ufuna ukuba ubani, and izokusala exactly. Yabona, so amanzi no paraffin
azihlangana. Going back to indaba yesonto, I have a problem because kunezinto ezingithrow off.
Okay.
I don't know ubani umuntu oyoze angiconvince ukuthi ngesontweni. Yabo, I acknowledge God. I love my God. I know God for myself. I believe in God. I live God. We understand. Ngize ngisho ngithi I am God's body. You understand? Yonke I believe ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyangikhusela. But kunalezi zinto ezingithrow off. How njengomuntu obukele right now ofila njengami. Siba namasonto. Siba namasonto we abantu abasayela ukhonza. Abantu ba investa so much ku building. Yini kanti isonto? Why fanele size skip imali eningi isiya ku fashion parade emasontweni manje kuningi nje nawo labefundisi bayasiqhoshela ukuthi yabona lesuit engigqokile mina with our money thina sidonate izinto ezingicikayo esontweni. I'm gonna tell you a story and ngiyadinga ukuthi ungiphendule right kulento bengicela ukubuza ukuthi what would you say kulamuntu ofila njengami ngendaba yesonto. But I remember my mother kuthi uma wami wayithi makaye esontweni wayiphatha iboss pellet. Yayibona iboss ispellet lesi esikhulu.
Okay, it's okay, yeah.
Manje abantu mabeqala bephathwa umoya kuthiwa ayisakhula nje emncane.
Okay.
Abantu mabesiqala bekhuleka bekhuluma ngama tongues kuthiwa ayivela kuhlabe ngalesi spirit. Waxuma. She believed that awunamoya because but if you uma usemoyeni uyizwa njani pain because you in a spirit, you are in a spiritual realm.
Yo.
So uzokuncinza nje wabaleka sho ukuthi wena awukusemoyeni because funeka ukuthi mangikuhlaba ungezwa lutho because wena awukho senyameni right now. Right? So we have tongues when people pray, right? And neBhayibheli liyasho ukuthi akuyena wonke umuntu othi inkosi osho kumina.
Yes.
Which my aunt once said to me, you can be in the midst of everybody. Njengokusho ukuthi people sometimes ukuyisontweni ukuhlanganisa imikhuleko, isn't it? Wathi umamncane wami, be specific of the God okhuluma ngaye, even if you are not with other people, because you can all say nkosi kanti anikhulume ngenkosi eyodwa. So for you to break the spirit esabo mhlambe abazothi mabekhanqa besithi inkosi kanti wena ukhuluma nayo mabayazi ukuthi awukhulumi ngale nkosi yabo. Going back izinto ezingenza ukuthi ngingafuni kuyesontweni. Uyabona? So what would you say kunomuntu lona okholelwa njengami ukuthi kodwa amasonto this and this and this, should I just focus of going there to believe ukuthi mina ngiyokhonza inkosi yami or nami kufanele ngifike ngiadapt to whatever that is happening to that church?
Engakuphakamisa mina ile ukuthi I believe ngiyakholelwa kuwe ilento ebalekile bengisho ekuqaleni ukuthi once waba nento kuwe eguide unembeza wakho uNkulunkulu and it's like you right. So lento nayo you have to ukuthi uyikhulise ukuzithemba ukuthi I'm right. And then isonto ngakubekela ukuthi mina ngokwami ezingisho ukuthi la ukukhulisana khona yes nokuthi kube umkhuleko omningi kuhlanganiselwe nani although nje izinto eziningi sizibona zingenzakali kahle. Uyabona ngoba noJesu ebengenalo isonto lakhe ebehamba amasonto ngeke ukuthi hayi isonto lakhe nalo. So it shows that ukuthi kahle kahle ibinto ade kuyena la adlula khona benza umsebenzi adlula philisa adlula enzeni yabona adlulele phambili nayifica besonto yangena kwelinye isonto yasonto so akana sonto isonto zakhela thina nje ukuthi okay athi ngizakhe ukuthi okay sibonganyelene thina siyazana siphilisane ngalendlela kuNkulunkulu mhlambe omunye onesiphiwo silandele ukuthi okay uyabona but ngiphakamisa ukuthi umuntu kahle kakhulu into ebalekile unembeza nokuthi inhliziyo yakhe usuku usesontweni eliphelele uwe nje ukholwa uqedile yiko ngishena siqena uhlala endlini yakhe ekamereni udumisa uvula iBhayibheli na uvula iBhayibheli uthandaze enjoy the praise done.
Okay, I'm not saying guys ningayisontweni ningangizwa.
Yeah, no abantu bayisontweni.
Please ningangizwa kabi. I'm not bashing anyone and everyone. It's just that emasontweni ziningi izinto ezenzakalayo. Siyabona na kuma social media. Siyababona ama fake pastors. Siyabona ingane zethu zinukubezwe emasontweni. Izinto mina ezingenza ukuthi ngenqeni impela kuyesontweni, but I really love the concept yokuthi abantu kube nobutho enishoyo ukuthi thina sihlukile kunabantu abasenyameni. Thina siyamkhonza uNkulunkulu, but it shouldn't make you superior because abantu abaningi abazibiza ngamaKristu or ama-Christian, they are so judgmental
kakhulu.
They bathanda ukwenza ngathi bona angazi banyathela kophi umhlaba and they have a right to judge me as a next person mhlawumbe ongahambi ngendlela yakhe, instead of akusondeze akubonise indlela yakhe bayasijudge and izinto ezisthrow up even off thina abanye ukuthi neBhayibheli lithi ungajudge, but what are you doing right now?
Akwenziwa so.
I understand. You know, izinto ezinjalo eziye zingangiphathi kahle and ngiyabonga ukuthi unginikeze nje lesi space sokuthi ngikhulume ukuthi ngizizwa kanjani. I've been wanting to say this but bengena platform of saying it.
Okay.
So now ngifuna sibuyele kwiSoweto Gospel Choir. Uphume nini kwiGospel Choir? iGospel Choir mawungena khona ningena ngama contracts or kuye sekuwena oshoyo ukuthi hayi manje ngiyacabanga ukuthi sengikhule kangaka I can do my own thing.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Angicela nje ucacisa kancane la iSoweto Gospel Choir ngisebenzanga ndaba kakhulu bekuloko ukuthi nakuthiwa sicela kuyashoda base yabona because I director le yangithola lapha ke yasiphuma wasizimela wayibiza iSoweto Choir. So although yena vele eyakubo and then ke obviously ikho ihlangana ku Soweto Choir Soweto Gospel Choir. So kahle nangilo ngikhula ke ngihamba nabo traveler nabo iSoweto Choir ngiya France or in Europe nje. So kwase kuvuka manje ukuthi okay lento nami nginayo manje yangisebenza ukuthi okay nginesiphiwo okay uNkulunkulu ngibusisile ngene ngibuye ekhaya eZion ene ngikhulele enkonzweni yabona ngilonke uNkulunkulu ayikhulisa lento ngicabanga isibheke uTime man.
Zion
yeah okay Zion shaya isigubhu yabona.
Okay.
So nje ilapho ke manje sengiqala manje ngilokhu ngiyenza isingle yami ke yabona. So ngiqala manje ngithi ukuthi ngenza isingle yami ke. So it's when manje ngiqala nginami lento decision ukuthi ukukhula le ngibelievela kumina. Yeah, so iqala lapho ukuthi ngiqale ukuzimela manje because sengithatha element yalapha eSoweto Choir ngabhlanganisa ngabheka ukuthi okay la ngangenza kanje ini uyahlangana hlanganisa iZion ngihlanganisa instrumental khona lento ephumayo.
Okay, so now into engifuna understand, what were you ubusenza njani ubuye ucule these famous songs esizaziyo zegospel or uwenza through amaculo wasewisile or mhlawumbe ubuzibhalela wena awakho amaculo?
Yeah, shuthi bengihlanganisa.
Okay.
Yeah, nakunengoma ekhona engiyaziyo sometimes ngizibhalele.
Okay.
Yeah, so ngibona ukuthi nengoma lena ngangecula ngisakhula eZion ngithathe ngihlanganise neinstrumental. I sounded different ukuthi okay kanti okay kuyahlangana kuyenzeka. So it's when ukuthi okay uyazi music ke yawo ubizo.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then was it not a challenge because now ufike kuSoweto Gospel Choir izinto zismooth?
Yes.
So now having an idea of now ukuziqalela wena obviously yazi uma usabona into vele uyibone next week nje seyisenzeka you understand
yes
how was the journey for you now as now uziqalela yes
ukuqala is not easy
yeah
so kodwa kuba nalento ethi ke ukubona nje yenzeka ngazi kanjani but akukho easy ngoba noma uzokubuza ukuthi wenzani manje hawo into yenzayo kayo udlala isikhathi sakho yabona kube khona abantu abazofika bethi hayi awume kancane uqalile yabona
yeah
kodwa nje lento lokho uyiza ukuthi iyafuna uyenze yabona so kube easy ukuthi okay sometimes noma amasentinyana bese uthi athi ngiyenze lento because isengqondweni yakho and uyafuna ukuyenza ubone nje kuhlangana ezinye izinto okay now usuyiphethe futhi esandleni so bamamelisa izibona abantu because abantu ibona abakupha i-support ibona futhi abakuyisa ube nenhlanhla ukuthi uthola abantu abazothi yo mali mnandi yazi nawe ngenza ukuthi futhi uqhubeke iyaphila lento and then uzibona ukuthi okay
yes kuthiwa you spend money to make money
yeah.
And that's what most of our talented people ubona ukuthi umuntu unale talent kodwa akakhona ukuqhubeka because fanele ube nemali
njalo
that's the reality and uthi noma ungqongqoza kweminye iminyango hlala uyithola ivaliwe but keep on knocking keep on knocking until uze ulentuzana so I know ukuthi ungichazile earlier on uthe I like doing my thing right so uyazibhalela uyaziproducela wenza yonke into for yourself
yenza yonke into
what ucabangani ngalabantu abaye bafike mhlambe mabebona italent kuwena bathi bafuna ukukusayina would you go for that if someone kune record label efuna ukukusayina
ngokwami mina nje inalento engibona ngayo ukuthi iyangisiza ngoba ngade ngisho ukuthi ubumina ngizibone nje ngimele into yami until uyabona uzenzela uyabona ngiyazi ukuthi izinto eziningi zifuna iminyango imali yokungena ezintweni but nginona inkolelo ukuthi uNkulunkulu nangaka esefuna ukuthi ngingene kulo minyango noma kanjani noma abanginamali uzoyenza indlela ukuthi manje isikhathi sami and sizofika so lesifaka kuthiwa bekezela uqinisele futhi ngoba akukho easy so but ungajahi take your time kusile namhlanje angazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu uplanani ngoba sengila ekhaya but uyabona ukuthi yonke into inesikhathi so noma ngabe nginemali anginamali lo nemali uzofuna ukuthi hayi mfethu ngena phandle kwemali
yayiphi ingoma ofeel ukuthi iyona eyakuthatha yakubeka lapha ku spotlight ingoma zakho
ingoma yangibeka lapha ophila kimi
okay
yeah kunengoma engayibhala ngathi uyisimanga uJesu ophila kimi
uyisimanga uJesu ophila kimi
uyisimanga yeah so yasilandelwa lethi hamba ngihamba noJesu
okay
so leyo yangipha ukuthi ke whatever ijourney ngikuyona ngihamba noJesu angizihambeli so that's why ngi right ngi relax ukuthi hayi owami uJesu uzoyivula iminyango
and then how was it for you now molo ukuhamba emgaqweni uyabona ukuthi abantu bayakurecognize now ngale ngoma yakho sebeqala ukukhuluma ngayo do you are you that person okholela ukuthi vele yimi lo uvela uthi hayi ngiyabonga ngizozama futhi to do better because thina once uphope kayiwani nga something ucabanga ukuthi you made it
yes
awucabanga ukuthi you still have to go back and cook what keeps you going wena
support ye family qala bese bayi support nje ama friends nangaphandle ozona noma bebona ku TV idlala ingoma yami hey sakubona ku TV awunaba yabona yo man congratulations bangibongise and kubona lento emnandi okay and la lento uNkulunkulu akayisho ukuthi ungasabi and into nawe ukholelwa kuyona nginawe ngihamba nawe izokwenzeka because nami ukuba sengiqala kubuntu berecognize ku TV hey sakubona ubana lento Nkosi ngiyabonga kakhulu ngoba kusiwa amandla kuyenzeka ukuthi nalonto ungayenza angiyazi ngenze ngangithatha phi lawo masenti but ngabona sengikwenza aba content yenza lo muntu waqhamuka ngalosikhathi wasethi ethi ngikwenzele ngithi unani ngidaki naloko hayi woza ungasaba sense and then yangenza yavetana yenzeka and kwaba right kakhulu
is it njengoba bathi ke na abantu who have made it to this industry or any other industry bayibabukele phansi abantu who are still up and coming.
Upcoming.
How are you taking that wena personally?
Ubukela phansi ne.
Sengisho wena ukuthi ikwenza ukuthi ucabangeni because mina sometimes labantu abasebe who've made it and then bastreat somehow ingiqeda amandla mina. When how do you deal with that ukuthi uyazi sewutholile connection mhlambe nomuntu osephezulu but you understand ukuthi kunalento nje ukuthi bayakunyatha. Wathatha apha amandla wena?
Yo yabona ngiyana noma inhlanhla noma zifane noma yini ngoba umusa kwesinye isikhathi kimi kuyaba nalento ukungabi nokuzinyatha ukuzehlisa yabona. So ukuzehlisa unongena ubona ukuthi la kungena abantu shouldn't ngene nawe uzosala uzibuza who's this guy yabona. Shuthi nje ngisibekile phansi ngifuna ukumesha la ngikhona ukuthi now we've done it okay. Should nabe bona ukuthi ngena abantu abanemali but nangena kube nalento ezothi noma ngabe kuthiwa una next but izinike lento ukuthi haya ngiyafitha nami la why not because ngimele ngifithe. Ama radio station bengena ama radio station amaningi ngingenile amakhulu ngiyangena nanokuthi ngibengena nama friends amaningi awuthotha akholela kumina ngokuthi ngokungazinyazi ukuzehlisa abantu ngibelieve kumina ukuthi ngubani. Afuna ukwazi umuntu ubani lo wesikhathi ngenza izinto zami and then umuntu afuna ukwazi thothi manje naye eza kimi ngimtshela lento nami impilo enginayo and then thothi nayo sencela lento ukuthi hey lo muntu uyazithemba uyazi believing himself yabona. So kuba lula ke neminyango nangena umuntu noma sihlangene kuma concert noma kuma event yabona ubonda nabanye abantu abaphezulu kube lula ukuthi hayi bethu kunento eso manje ungazwakala can come kunani sokulula because mina kimi angizinyanga ngizehlisa and the time uzoqhamuka ukuthi hey manje ngiyacela ngisazama uzehlisa obvious uzobona lo sazama yabona ngisazama uzokunika le attitude nami ukuthi yabona ngizokuthinta usazama mina uzitshela ukuthi I'm not zaming.
I'm doing this.
I'm there and
I'm not zaming. I'm doing this.
Nawe silento yabona so uthini yabona umuntu nabona hey nomuntu nakusasa ngangisiza musathi ngimncede. So kuba lula iminyango ivuleka kanjalo thothi naye na ufike yabona hayi lo muntu uyazithemba and into yakhe iphile because mele iphile into yakho iyona iphile into ephethe esandleni ungabe nokuthi wazitshela ukuthi usazama hey usakhohlanganisa ukuhlanganisa uhlala uhlanganisa
like that. Washo no Lasizo wathi fake it till you make it. Wathi omnye umfana ehlelelana lisaid wathi ukuhlala ethembeni ungalisebenzeli uhlala uhleli ethembeni.
Uhlala uhleli ube khona bekukhuthaza uzolunga lapho wena lungile just that wena igiya lifaka faka u1 and then ufaka u2 uhambe
ne. And then now let's talk about because sewethe kuyo indaba ye radio stations which my radio stations okay wasebenza now are you still kuleyo industry namanje na
ku radio station njengamanje ngwi Sound of Azana.
Okay.
So is an online radio station ise Soweto eMdeni. So lapha ngenza afternoon drive.
Okay. What time from
3 to 6?
Yes. Azana.
Yeah.
Uthe it's an online
radio.
Yes. So umuntu sithola kuphi kuma channels?
Should yangena uthi search lapha Sound of Azana and then izobe sivela ine link.
Okay.
Or www.soundsofazana.co.za.
Thank you so much. Can you pin the foot?
It's www.soundsofazana.ca.za.
Abantu bavumelekile ukuthi mhlambe bafone mhlambe to engage with you and all.
Yes, they can.
I love that. And then how did you get there?
With Sound of Azana.
Yes.
Sound of Azana isinesikhathi eside khona. Iqale abaseJoburg. It's when they base based khona ukuthi sisebenze khona. Kukhona baba esisebenza nabo abamavundla.
Yes.
Kuyena ke i-founder yemsakazo and then ke seselapha eJoburg yakhula nje yasebenza interview a lot of artists amaningi azile lapha na abakhulu ama artists amaningi kakhulu akhona and then ke kwaba ne disturbance ye COVID. It's when ke sisama kancane and then ke ukuhamba kwesikhathi nasekulunga izinto ke sathi no idisibuyele because beku abalandeli bayo ade bemamela bese befisa ukubebuza njalo ukuthi and then imsakazo iradio kwenzakalani and then ke sathi no azini ngoba manje siyabona ukuthi asibuyele online and then saya ke Soweto sayivula ke and then kabuya ke so sina more than 300,000 listenership so nje ikhula nje ngaleso sikhathi leso kakhulu.
And then now I want to understand this. Do you prep yourself before a show ukuthi this is what you want to talk about, or uye uzitshela ukuthi uzolalela umoya ukuthi uzoguide ukuthi wenze njani, or do you allow your people to tell you how to ukuthi mhlambe namhlanje nikhulume ngani izinto ezinjalo?
Yes, we do as the direction ye radio. Mele ibe nama preparation nani but ke ueda kuyakenzeka ukuthola ukuthi umoya wehle ukusebenzisa ngeindlela but uguide vele kodwa nje yakwazi ukuthi okay manje umoya ungehlele kanje ukuthi sambe kanjani. So it's when a show igcine sibe mnandi because kubalekile ukuthi uhambe ngespirit nanokumamela ukuthi yabo ngoba nginalokhu uhlele endaweni ugcina so abantu bethi siyamazi
uzothi
siyazi what next
so fanele ube spontaneous
so kumele unikaze abantu lento ukuthi lento it's a spirit and then umuntu emamele uyakwazi ukumnika azizwe nawe ukuthi ngimamela umsakazo and ongiphilisayo and ngiyawuthanda ngiyawulandela ngoba unginika more and motivations.
Talking about COVID, affecta kanjani wena?
COVID affecte kakhulu ngefamily zami ukuthi khona ke badlula emhlabeni ngaso lesasimo se COVID but ke nje mina uNkulunkulu ungigcinile anganga affected although besiloko siphuma travel ngaleso sikhathi neSoweto choir and then yagcina sesibamba kwezinto singakwazi ukuhamba and then ke kwamele manje noma uthomela uhambe belo ujove ngenkani bekutshela ukuthi awukwazi ukutravel jova kuqala and ngisaba ke mina uthi lo mjovo yabo but ke bekwenzeka sijove ngomusa ke sihambe ngaleso sikhathi leso.
So nina you were working even ngaleso sikhathi leso se lockdown nama COVID
kwaba khona isikhathi la bekunzima singakhona ukuhamba but kwaphinde kwathi hayi kusokuvumelekile but have to ukuthi
test ujove wenze zonke
yonke into be right and then bese kuhambe ukuthi ngale besibona ukuthi endaweni esiyakuyona ku right and basidinga ukuthi sokwazi ukuperforma sibanikeze
uperforma kanjani guys ingoma yesitswano race yesiZulu eSwitzerland bazwani labantu laba? Did you have our people supporting you, like were you having your audience yama South Africans or Africans, or it was even Switzerland uyasicabanga ukuthi belungu bebeza bezonilalela nabo noma benganizi ukuthi nthini?
The funny thing abelungu baningi ne kodwa yazi ba enjoy bazibuza ukuthi how to phakamisa unyawo bachazwa yilokho nje ukuthi nezinto e1 ngiyabona i-rhythm abana banganizi ukuthi nithini ngoba besicula ingoma zethu lapha nazizulu nesitswana Xhosa bezo harmony good and then labantu lana autograph yabo benza into e1 ngesikhathi si1 yabona it's like theater things ba enjoy lonto leyo drum lapha nedadlala yabona labantu bagida sebeshaya isitswana bashaya gumboots done and then ba energy yabona bathanda bachazwe energy esinayo ikugcwala bona kakhulu. Yes bakhona ke mix nabantu bakithi nababuya kuphi abasizwa but nje into beyimangaza gcwala ke kakhulu
abantu ondlebe esikhanyilanga. Like I always wonder nje ukuthi mawuzothi usukelana waya eGermany uyo performer be like but it's not like labantu bayakuzwa.
Yes Switzerland
so in a nutshell music akufanele it's not just ukuthi ungizwe ukuthi ngithini but it's the rhythm
and the message because after nasiqeda ukubacula mele nabo kwezulu siya explain mhlawumbe sibanikeze explanation ukuthi ichaza ukuthi isho ukuthi bona sebebambele lento ukuthi le ngoma yethi okay ichaza ukuthi wabenza so and then bagida ezilento abayimention ukuthi isho ukuthi so have to understand.
Interesting. And then another thing that I'm interested to know the opinion yakho ukuthi kunabantu abasontayo abamkhonzayo uNkulunkulu baphinde futhi bengabantu abahlabayo abakholelwayo kuzintweni zesintu. What's your take in that? Because kunabantu abathi inyanya or into zesintu amadimoni azihlangani into zikaNkulunkulu. What's your opinion when it comes to that? Can you do both, or uNkulunkulu or iBhayibheli lithi lona kanje? Because I'm confused.
Ibalekile kakhulu leyo. Yeah, but engakusho mina ukuthi angithi asifani. Yeah, singabantu sizala uNkulunkulu esidalile, so is depend ukuthi umoya ofike kuwena kuyinhlanhla yakho ngalo ndlela yakho nami different. So kuya ngokuthi ke ukholelwa kuphi. Mina ngoba ngumthetheleli sometimes engathi nangivula iBhayibheli ngokwami lathi nalingibekela ukuthi mina nguNkulunkulu, I need 1 2 3. Ngatheka lento ukuthi uNkulunkulu odala umhlaba nezulu nongidalile mina. Ngibona ku right ukuthi ngikholeleke lento akayisho ukuthi uthi akafuni lokhu uthanda lokhu ngenze kanje, nangamamela ngenza lokhu uzongibusisa, uzongipha impilo, uzonaka abantwana bami abavikela abenzeni umndeni wami nani. And then ngathama na i-guidance right. So angithi mina so nomunye kuzona lento ethi mina nangenza ukuthi kuba so, but mina ngithathele ethi the whole world and nomuntu okuyena ongiphela umphefumulo bangiphefumula uyena futhi ongawuthatha manje, but uthi kimi ubhalile ukuthi nangaphila ngenza 1 2 3 ngentando yakhe uyibekile imap ukuthi ngiphile kanjani. I just take that one and then ngiyabona ukuthi nangithatha lo ndlela ngibona lento angithembise yona yenze, and then ngathi man ithi ngikhohle into eziningi emasayidini ngifocus ekule akashoyena, and ngiyabona nangiconnecta naye it's doing what lento akayisho, and then ngakhohlwa izinto.
Ushilo wathi if umuntu wenza ubugebengu buzokulandela.
Yes, yeah.
So life is a reflection of what you give. Ngiyakuzwa ukhuluma ngingane. So do you have children?
Yes.
Bayingaki?
By 3.
Oh.
Yeah, it's 1 boy and 2 girls.
Yes. Bangakanani?
Umfana nje una 19. First born.
Okay.
And then intombazane ina 13 years.
Okay.
And then lo munye sesemncane uzoyenza 2 years.
Yeah. And how is life now? Ukhumbule, you had your life before kids, and then now you have life with your kids, and still have your life as you put him. How it's like to be a father, and like how do you switch from being a father to be ubhuti, to be umuntu or artist, and uphinde futhi ube umsebenzi? Ama rules wakho lapho waswitcha kanjani?
Yeah, ibalekile leyo ngoba sama sisikhohle. So nje ilento ukuthi nangabe ngathini la ukhona iba ingena kubantu, okay, ukuthi manje ngifamily phila lento ukuthi because bakubhekile abantwana banike lento ukuthi ngubaba manje la ukwazi ukuthi okay iso lakho la akwenziwa lokho abantwana bami lokho kusoso impilo ukuze ube right, ukufuna ukuthi ungakwenzi wenze lokho, mamele uhlonipha abantu nani ube ubaba ezifamily yakho kubantwaneni, yabona. So nawufika kwisikhathi sob artist nakhona ongabeke ekhanda ukuthi hey mina ngiartist yabo iba umuntu nje human, whatever lofika khona ube nobuntu ngoba artist ilento ukuthi i-character yakho ithini, noma uzonikezwa abantu ukuthi uyi-artist but wena iba umuntu ungachange, because into imisebenzi oyenzayo izokunikeza ukuthi I'm an artist. Into engiphila ngayo, but ubuntu once wa change ubuntu bakho wafuna ukuthi ubeke kube i-artist usumoshile. Uyabona ngoba manje into la kuwe hayi I'm artist, noma usufika ekhaya usufika esontweni I'm artist, angihlala angishaya izandla mina I'm artist, esikumoshile. Angifike ekhaya nakusetshenzwa ufuna manje utatazelele because uyi-artist. And then ke nabazali manje abasakuniki lesibusiso because uyi-artist manje nakumndeni nawufika hayi usiye ngalama artist, yabona ukuthi manje ususa lento. So ubuntu bubalekile kuqala kuba abantu abakunika lo crown uyafika artist, but wena uthi okay but ungachange ubuntu bakho
Ngiyabonga
human
for that.
because izokwenza ukuthi iyona into ezokusa phambili and abantu bazokuthanda bazoku-encourage ukuthi okay yabona lo muntu lo uyi-artist mara uzibeke phansi.
Thank you for that.
Yeah.
Ubuntu guys. I think iyona nto funeka siyikhumbule kakhulu. I always say ukuthi I don't care ukuthi uyi-millionaire or recent
Exactly.
bona umuntu beyond the flashy car, beyond lo mkhukhu, bona umuntu.
Yes, ngoba into esiphazamisayo usuye athi imali. Yabona singafunda ukuthi okay senginayo imali iningi. Obviously izongiveza ukuthi nginemali but once ngibambe lo buntu imali is nothing and because izokwenza ukuthi ngazi ukuthi ngihlele eduze komuntu okay siyaxoxa yamona mitha afuye ukuthi oshame yazini kunento engizithola kuwena because kunento ebalekile ongeke ushintshe kuyona into ozikhulumayo ziyangakha.
Of course.
Yabona imali ngeke ngakhe imali.
Yes.
Imali izokwenza lento efuna ukuthi uyenze manje yabona but ubuntu buzokukhulisa ubuntu ukwakha umndeni ukwakha isizwe ukwakhe unemali yabona imali kwesikhathi ikhona yes yabona kufuneka ngikuthande nje ukuthi kube right.
Yeah.
Then kuzoba right.
As a father ukholela ukuthi ingane mayonile iyashaywa iyathethiswa mhlambe uhlala nayo phansi ukhulume nayo because mina I always say anginangane ka government.
Yeah.
That's what I say.
Yes.
Abo mangikuphanisha mina njengengane uzongitshela ngokuthi ngiyakabuse uzongibophisa awusumntana kahulumeni uyingane yami and I believe ukuthi ngizokhulisa ngalendlela mhlambe nami engakhuliswa ngayo engisebenzelayo. Do you believe ukuthi ingane azishaywe or fanele uhlala nayo phansi or fanele uyihambise kumaso like you know sometimes ufuna i-mediator type of thing?
Isikhathi ngathi nje mina ngibuyela back uthina sikhule sishaywa thina sikhule nje na uthi utwenza into wrong nangabe uphumile usendaweni ubona ukuthi i-wrong lento engenza uba novalo uthi ngiyoshawa any wrong lento engenzile. So kusikhulisile futhi kusakhile lonto le ngoba oqala uyamazi umuntu omdala bongaveze nginamba until manje angeke nje ungene umehlo umuntu omdala because nalento uthi ngiyamhlonipha neshayiwe isegazini lonto le ukuthi usabe ukusaba and then wenza izinto eziright yabo. So isikhathini samanje asifani ke yabona kodwa nje sekubalekile ukuthi ingane ehlala nayo phansi. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi bathi sesebanje
ligotshwa lisemanzi.
Sesemanzi. Ukuthi mntanami lokhu nalokhu kodwa khona indlela ongakwazi ukukhuza ngomntana wakho ukuthi akusabe ngamini asabe ukwenza into wrong yabona asabe uthi umama nangenza into so yabona akhule nje ngale ndaba okusaba balekele una umntwana asaba ngoba nawazi waba free ungasabi next yonke into uyenza ngongasabi uyingozi lokho kuzokwenza ukuthi ukufaka enkingeni kusasa ifuture yakhe ayikho. Na umntwana nje khula usaba and then umzali amkhulise ngokuthi izinto amthuse ezirong ambonise futhi eziright ukuthi yazi na wenza into enhle so uzoba right uzofana nobani nabe nale isithombe ukuthi ubani ngobe artist ecula wenza izinto eziright umiphi isithombe sokuthi into embi izokulahlekisa nga right izokwenza into so and then ngiyacabanga ukuthi umntana unembewu sokuyitshalile kuyena ene lo mbewu oyifakile noma kanjani yakhula depend ukuthi utshala yiphi imbewu inayikhula iyakhula ioverpower lembi ninekhu enhle ubone sawu nangu umntana wami lamazi engakhuluma ayongizwile uyabona but now uzokwenza into ezirong phambi komntwana uzomkhuzile uphinde wena wenze mzali wenza into erong phambi kwakhe is when ke izoveda nathi umama uyangikhuza mari naye kanti wenza into
yayizwa ngiyabonga
ngeke sabuzwaka so na uthi yakhuluma naye hayi okay mama ngizwe mama ngizwile it's fine yabona ukuthi awusazwakala and then manje kumele nawe umzali wenze sure ukuthi into eyikhulumayo uyenza bese ube futhi ube guidance.
Thank you for that and we have estates sabo absent father in South Africa. It's very rare. I'm not saying ayikho and it's not like asiboni every day but estates kuthiwa abobaba abaningi abekho empilweni zabantwana babo. What would you want to say to that man who doesn't want to take a responsibility?
Leyo futhi ibaluleke kakhulu yenzeka and siyayibona futhi khona ngisho ngithi nje nakuna ngihlehla kancane lento futhi engisho ukuthi ukukhuliswa usesemncane wejongo sobaba usakhula kubalekile ukuthi lo abaphambili bakufundisa iresponsibility ukuthi nawo baba kubalekile ukuthi uyenza so uqala usebenze nakumndeni wakho nani ubona naye kubaba wakhe ngithi so idonsa lapha ukuthi ikhule kanjani yiko kube ngifaka igama lokusaba because nazo wakhula nje kunalento ukuthi kumnandi nje kumithisa uzalisa uhambe awusabi next and unawuqeda lapha nakuthiwa umithisile hey usudla phansi ngoba umanga lento enziwe ukuthi hey yini manje lo songitshela ngayo izokuhlula but nangabe ufundisiwe ukuthi uyahlonishwa umuntu wesifazane uyahlonishwa nosunomntwana yiza ukwazi ukuthi kulungiswe izinto ube nenovalo lokwenza into embi enhle wazi ukuthi okay la ingakho ugcina abantu abaningi sebebaleka ama responsibilities manje ubona into angayazi angayifundiswanga.
Thank you.
Uyabona so wenzani ke imbewu le sikhulile embi obvious izomenza ukuthi acabanga yena ukuthi lento engenzela lapha hayi uzozibona because angithakasaba akanavalo and then kulula nje ukuyale phambili and but now novalo usaba uzoba nakho ukuthi sengimoshile lapha ingane abantu ngishiye nomthwalo ngeke uphumule uwazi ukuthi usumkhulelisile kumele uphinde lokho noma umuntu nokuyenzeka ukuthi ngempela ukhulelisile awunamali isimo sikho right but into ebalekile noma ngena next bantu Nkosi yami ikwenzekile na kodwa nje ngiyeza ngikhona uNkulunkulu uzongipha amandla one day nizobona kwenzeka lonto leyo la umazi wakhulumile ukulunga lokho nokuthembisa ngeke uNkulunkulu akuyekelele uzona uthi uyazama ukuthi gqu and naye lo sisi lo afuna ukubekezela akunayo nekhuluso ngokuthi empilweni kuyabekezela umuntu uyamthanda ngiyazi uthando linokubekezela uthando nesineke obvious naye namukela lesimo salomuntu obvious nabehlangisa lonto leyo ngeke uNkulunkulu aniyekelele nje into iba nento uthi okay kulunga.
And then now in a nutshell uyasho ukuthi sinale rate lena engaka it's because of zange bathole guidance from the beginning imbewu yayingekho ezosho ukuthi ezinye izinto ukhona ukuyenza into because of uyibonile uyifundile you cannot give what you don't have. And then what would you want to say kulomfana loyana owenza i-excuse uyokuthi aqhubekise impilo yakhe ngoba engenababa? What would you want to say? Because mawulalela abantwana kuma juvenile kuthiwe mina nginababa mina baba makanandaba nami ufuna ukuthini wena lo mfana lo right now usilalele othi oblame ubabakhe njengoba impilo yakhe ilento eyiyo right now.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi nayo khulu umuntu engenababa ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngeke ngabe bikho baba kwifamily and ngeke ngabe bikho umuntu ozothi uyi1 obonela kubona because into abantu abaningi nayo kuthiwa una ubaba wengane yabona awusho ukuthi ubaba wengane yakhe eyi1 but khona umuntu ozoba umama abobaba ku whatever situation around so umntwana lapho kusho lapho kwakumele kube nomuntu ozothi nawe umntana ini umuntu uthi ubaba yakho nami ngumzali wakho bese nomntwana adopta lokuthi umzali wami phela kakhulu yangikhulisa engqondweni yangikhulisa entweni ngempela ubaba wami uyabona so kuba lapho ukuthi kusale lapha emuva ukuthi ekhaya kwifamily ubani ophakamile wafumele kube umzali kulo mntwana esakhula noma sesho abazali take responsibility ukuthi hayi lona ngiyamkhulisa umntana wami because kuba azakhule kube nengqondo ukuthi manje sesizingeni lokukhula wazibone yedwa akubanga nomuntu otake responsibility hayi mntanami hayi phela lokho akwenziwa so akwenziwa naye khula naye uzosaba lo mzali lo akamzali ukuthi naye azathi ukuthi akangizali lo baba kodwa ungenze ngaba indoda ngubaba namhlanje ngenxa kababa usibanibani so umzali akhethe ukuthi uzele uyena strict amazwi neaction nento zenze enganeni hlangana nomntwana njengamazi afika la mina ngibe umzali kuyena ngithi abona hawu yazi ubaba kimi yazi and then uzomenza naye ukuthi ayazini naye uzoba ubaba athola ingane ezingena baba uzofusa imbewu enhle ukuthi khulisa isizwe khulisa bobaba
njengoba kusho ukuthi it takes a village to raise a child ikho thina sikhule nje kuthiwa wonke umuntu ubamakho ubaba ubengathiwa ubaba kabani
besithunya ubaba kugijima kubiza estradini ongamasi efana ukugijima
abothela and ufika uthi baba ufika uthi ubaba kabani you understand and just to stamp to what you said ukuthi umntwana as much as a biological parent is not there kodwa kuba khona abantu abukela kubona it means that we must be very careful ngezinto esizenzayo kwathina because we don't know who's watching. Exactly. We don't know ukuthi omuphi lo mntwana ominspire every day. You just don't know because akazuza kuwena athi ngiyakubuka. It's rare uthola umntwana ozoza kwathi I admire you. Uyakubuka from a distance. So it means that be mindful of things that you say, be mindful That's of true. Things that you do. In general, when ungayenza into uthi akunamuntu okubonayo, you don't know who's watching.
Yes, powerful.
You don't know who's watching. Now, I want to know, because ngiyazi ukuthi unama projects that you're busy with as well, art yakho, craft yakho. Are you open to bookings? And ama projects mhlawumbe obusy ngawo right now, ungasharela kancane?
Yes, ngiyabonga lo mbuzo kakhulu. No, I'm available kakhulu. Ngiyatholakala ya social media ngikhona.
Yes.
Nje ngikhona ku Facebook, ngikhona ku TikTok, ngikhona WhatsApp, YouTube ngikhona.
Yes.
But channel ungena Mthetheleli Mbonani wonke.
Mthetheleli Mbonani kuzo zonke.
Yes.
You open for bookings?
I'm open for bookings.
Are you open to say your numbers or umuntu ayamba ayok DM kuma social media wakho?
Ngambanika nje WhatsApp.
No problem.
068 686 1562.
Siyabonga. Cela uyiphinde futhi.
068 686 1562.
Nizolike kuwo wonke ama social platforms nizomthola Mthetheleli Mbonani. Hamba uyobheka icraft yakhe guys. Baniyobheka ukuthi udila ngani because kusho ukuthi it's very important ukuthi uhambe uyombheka before uthi uyafuna ukumbhuka. You understand? Uzobona ukuthi uhappy na ngomsebenzi wakhe so far. Right? And then kunombuzo engithanda ukubuza. If you were given a chance or no, because you're going to be given a chance. Abapha ama artists mhlawumbe ongafisa ukusebenza nawo locally. Abapha ama artists ongafisa ukusebenza nawo abroad.
Okay, kunombuzo wakhe ngaphendula ngomunye lothe umsebenzi wami emuphe.
Yes, the project. Yes.
So okwamanje busy ngizongena e-studio but komunye sengikhiphile khona sokuphumile umsebenzi ngiyavuma nengoma ethi onjengaye. Sezikhona o social media sebengangena ababheke bathole umsebenzi kanti futhi music video ikhona seyikhona kuma social ikhona futhi TV ma television lokhu yadlala kakhulu. So nje ngiyabonga isupport kakhulu.
Nizwileke guys. Right now zikhona iziphumile onjengawe nayiphi futhi ngiyavuma
futhi ngiyavuma ngifeature lapho usekelo nomuzi bakhona ngisebenza nabo.
Siyabonga.
Yes. Nozandi.
Okay. And then so kuzo zonke like if we wanna watch them we can just stream kuzo.
Yes.
Are ukhona ku Spotify?
Khona ku Spotify.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks for that.
Okay guys, just go and just uyobusiseka. Hamba nje uyobusiseka because abantu yes music siyawumamela zonke lezi zinto lezi but there's this thing gospel. There's this thing yabo makuthiwa uNkulunkulu sondele nalabo abanhliziyo zibhlungu. Trust me, we always run to gospel. I don't know why. Okay, I always run to gospel because kunesikhathi lapho uye ungakhona ukukhuleka ukuguqa ngedolo uvele uthi ufikelele Nkosi nalapho ungafikelelanga khona but through a song listening to that song that's you praying and naye ubhuti Mthetheleli at that time when ungakhona ukukhuleka ulalele la ngoma yakhe uyakusiza ngomkhuleko lantu ukhuluma ngayo ukuthi uNkulunkulu kaBhuti Mthetheleli
Yes.
uye wafika
Yes.
namhlanje wakhuluma
Powerful.
nami. You understand?
Njalo,
Thank
powerful.
you. So ngifuna ukwazi ke abantu ongafisa usebenza nabo ku local and abroad.
Kakhulu la ekhaya abantu abekube igoli lami ebengifisa ukuthi I think sengifikile Soweto Gospel Choir. Yeah, I was wanted ukuthi yabona la ngiphethe labantu laba ya. But ke kuma artist nje uJumbo. Yeah, Jumbo and then noBaba Vusigama. So ibona abantu ke engenje yazibeng yeah kakhulu ukubona ukuthi ba ispirit ngiyazisa ukuthi
yeah ukuthi nje ngazi nizwa ke Baba uBhuti Vusigama lapho nawe Jumbo nizwile ke uBhuti ngelinye ilanga ke sizonibona nonke.
Hayi kuzokwenzeka.
Yes.
Kuzokwenzeka.
Yes, and then abroad
angifuna uqamba manga right
because you are into traditional gospel kakhulu.
Yes.
Makes sense.
Yes.
And your tradition is Africa.
It's Africa.
I hear you. I hear you.
Yes.
And then if uNkulunkulu angakukhumbula namhlanje yini into ongafisa ukuthi abantu bakukhumbule ngayo?
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi le is powerful one. Esakuthiwa umuntu ubhala incwadi yakhe esaphila. So ikusuka nje ngikhula ngiza ngiyacabanga ukuthi umuntu ngawadi ngithanda amagama akho ukuthi into ebalekile nawenza ukukhuluma kubantu ukuthi uthini. So nokuthi surroundings abantu bayakwazi ungacabanga ukuthi abantu abakubona ukuthi wenzani. So ngingaka nje kule minyaka engiyona manje I know ukuthi umuntu seyikhona incwadi. Umuntu ozosho ukuthi nalo yangithatha le nale bani bethi naye debate nayiculo ubethu naye ezokhuluma mina ngithanda ukuhlala nomuntu phansi. Yeah, bona umuntu ngabe uzokufica ukhaliswe isimo, ukhaliswe impilo, ukhaliswe usibani ukushiyile whatever. Ngiyangena enizokushiya uhleka. Kube khona ukuthi lo muntu wakhuluma and wangishiya nalento and ngayimangama ngaba strong. Wavusa ubumina ukuthi yini purpose ngila emhlabeni ukuthi ungazothuswa impukane edlulayo. Ubani usipho yabona khona lento eyiyona. So ungishiya unalento ukuthi I know right. So ngiyazi kuba khona abantu abanjalo abathatha le nto le. Yabona. So nje nokunika abantu impilo ukuthi empilweni nangabe ifridge ingenalutho. It's not the end of the day. Mina benginokuvula ifridge ubona ukuthi kunamanzi phila. Yakwesikhala ukhuluma
ukuthi mawuthatha lamanzi ukhumbula ukuthi khona ilizwe right now baku drought bayawadinga lamanzi.
Ungena uthi one day ona fridge uzogcwala wena.
Amen.
Sometimes ungene lapha na ufuna ukuthi ulandele esa spirit lesa. Ugqoke kahle leso kunengoma ethandaka kakhuzana ethi gqoka kahle kuze unga for inkinga zakho.
Ungabukeki njengeinkinga zakho.
Unabona ukuthi nje ufuna ukuhlula le spirit. Hambe esantini ufike ungene lapha mhlawumbe ne 50 rand yana 100. Hlale labelungu abanemali phethe ama laptop. Ufike ubeze coffee lapho ana cappuccino.
Una 50 rand ngaleso sikhathi.
50 rand uzoshaya phansi uthi right okay akulethele lapha ubheke okay cappuccino ayiletha ibeke la kulethele ngetray bhale lapha uhlale la ubheke lapha bese ushaya phansi ngiyakutshela uzothi uphuma lapho
so feel like God I like it confident I like what you're saying
confident ukemol uphethe bag yakho ngena lapha ubona ukuthi hayi ngene nempahleni ubheke lapho uthi okay lesuthu le imalini batshela ukuthi hey lesuthu imali engawuxaya okay no don't worry ngiyabuya. Ngiyabuya I'm coming. Uzothi na uphuma lapho ungena etaxini ekhaya. Sukile lanto leyo right yaziza ukuthi man yazi ngifresh. Mamela music ikwazi ukuthi ukunika lonto ungabusabuyela kule nto addictus.
I like that. And then speaking of that, mawungalaleli gospel what do you listen to?
Maskandi.
Reason ukuthi ngizokhuluma ngoKhuzani. And kuzoba umzulu onjani ongalaleli uMaskandi anyway.
Khuzane yazi nayo mhlawumbe uzosibhekela uzosibukela. Ngisebenzile naye.
Oh nice.
ngisebenzile na ngiyazi iprofile lapho uzobona ngisebenzile noKhuzane ngasebenza no Big Zulu eSwazini Khuzane ngisakhuluma naye kakhulu so nje ingoma zakhe and nami uyangisupport kakhulu so nje ukusebenza nalo muntu lana yo ngimthandiswa lento engangayichaza ungibonela kuyena izinto eziningi abantu aba-artists esingabeka phezulu ukuthi abantu laba sebesebenzile and akusi artist nyana umsebenzi wakhe mkhulu kakhulu uhlonishwa umhlaba leya muntu usebenzile kakhulu so ubuntu akanabo into engithatha kuyena ubuntu la muntu ungambiza wherever nombiza khona phansi endaweni eziphansi uzofika
nobuntu
ebunzimeni uzofika wamtshela wakuthola kahle ukuthi akuzwe ukuthi uthini ebona ukuthi ngempela uqinisile ngoba phela khona abantu abanye
abangamafro
athola ukuthi ngempela iqiniso olukhuluma ngalo and ngempela udinga usizo uyafika lapho and unomoya omuhle uyakhuthaza and umuntu akukho la ngafika
mina into enginothisa ngayo umuntu wamahlaya
ikakhulu umuntu wamahlaya
umuntu wamahlaya siyabonga siyabonga kakhulu and then it's only uMaskandi
ngiyamamela wonke music kakhulu ngiyamamela gospel ngiyamamela ehouse ngiyamamela yonke ngiyamamela kakhulu
manje nezothando
ngiyazimamela kahle kakhulu ngiyazimamela
hip hop Sundays are for love
yabona Sundays yovula lapha yini baba lo shanga voice yakhe lapha nokuza ukuthi ayilo baba alosini uzudala khuluma kamnandi
I like that and then now what is the definition of love to you like njengamanje mangithi yini uthando kuwena ufikani how would ungayidescribe ukuthi uthando into enjani wena according to wena
give me uthando give me ilento ukuthi ukuzithanda mina kuqala yabona nangazithanda kuqala and then ke it's when likhulu uthando uzokwazi ukuthi uthandeke yabona umuntu nayethi yakuthanda or ngiyamthanda ukhuluma ngani and uzoza ukuthi yini uthando uzokwazi ukubona ukuthi lo uthi uyangithanda mara ngiyambona yazipretend yabona but uthanda nawusithanda yona qala ukwenza ukuthi ukwazi ukuhlukanisa uthando nothando yabona nothando nyana nothando but kuluzwa kuuthando ngeke ufake yamuza umuntu othi eish noma ephuma yale nomuntu ozayo ozongena yamuza ukuthi eish uyangithanda la muntu uyamuzwa ukuthi uzithande wena and understand uthando ukuthi and now you deep ngothando ngeke uhambe ungene uphuma ngoba understand what is love.
I like that. So you finally uqala uzithande wena kuzoba easy ukuthanda umunye umuntu and mawuzithanda wena uzolizwa ngaphakathi kwakho when somebody is adding uthandweni onalo
nekutshela ukuthi I love you ngeke ungaluzwa izolizwa feeling yakhona nethi ngiyakuthanda yes and umuntu akhona aluza uthi uthanda lakhona azokwenza ukuthi ngeke uyabona noma engekho ekuphe kude uzomuza uthi lo muntu uyangithanda and yazi la khona la khona manje shem uyangithanda anyway missing
I really like that ngiyabona ukuthi igama esilokho sibuyela kulo namhlanje ukuthi you cannot give what you don't have uzomthanda kanjani umunye umuntu ungenalo uthando kuwena
so nje
njengoba naseBhayibhelini kuthi noma ungakhuluma kodwa uthando mawungenalo ufana njengensimbi ekhencezayo
yerasana kuthiwa nangoke naye sefikile uzwa ngezitsha ngale yabona so uthando enye into ejule kakhulu eswana uNkulunkulu into yokuqala akasitshela ngathanda umakhelwane wakho
njengoba uzithanda
wena ngoba uyazi ukuthi nawuzithande wena uyazi ukuthi yini lo nayo enenhle enothando uthando ngapha
uma uthande umakhelwane njengoba uzithanda wena uyazithanda because wena you are God to see God in you and see God in them.
Exactly.
I like that.
So nje usuqedile ke lapho lisawuzo nomhleli endlini uyazizwa ukuthi yazini right.
Are you willing if someone right now uyaku DM athi ibhuti ngiyabona umsebenzi wakho ngiyawuthanda umsebenzi wakho ngiyayidinga guidance I don't know where to start. Are you willing or are you open to help abantu abaza kuwena mhlambe abacela information wena lapho usuhambe khona mhlambe athi ucela nje ukuhamba emva kwenyawo zakho?
leyo ibalekile and lapho angivula izandla.
Siyabonga.
Yeah, so ibaleke kakhulu ngoba ngithi isuke nakhona isiphiwo uNkulunkulu angiphe sona lembewu uzothi nawe ubone ukuthi khona into ethothi mhlambe nomuntu unasi isiphiwo sokwenza izinto udinga nje umuntu ozompha lento yazini lento inkulu nayo hamba gijima sukuma iyo uyabona ngoba ngithi manje abantu siyavalelana unangibona ukuthi lo muntu engaphunyuka la uyashine sengizosaba ukuthi engimphunyule and then again ngoba nakho manje this one eBhayibheli lisho ukuthi na unamandla okuvulela omunye umuntu yenza ungavalele omunye umuntu yeah na ngabe ngithunye ukuthi vuthi size umuntu isana sami nasisakhona ukufika size uthunyiwe uNkulunkulu akuthuma yenza ngoba wazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu ayakuthuma ngalo la muntu uzona uvula lapha angeke aphinda akhohle naye ukuthi yazi nje namhlanje ingenxa kaMkakasi izinto
neBhayibheli lisho ukuthi a blessed hand is the one that giveth than the one that's
ungabheki ukuthi ngoba sovulisa umuntu hayi manje ngikusizile phela manje ungenza kanjani uthando ukuthi ayishe ukuthi ngimsize and wena uzi understand ukuthi ngiyenza lento ngoba vele ngiyiyo and nginothando layo ukuthi ukhohliwa akubonganga or ukubongile okwakhe lokho noNkulunkulu uzozibona ukuthi kodwa nje nangabe kanjani umunye uzothi nenhlanhla ayiyazini awenza into ngoba ufuna ukuthi ngifuna manje ungibuyisele it's when silahla khona nesibusiso sethu yabo silahla lapho and ngabe sikude kakhulu.
Ngiyabonga ngicabanga mhlawumbe khona into singayithathanga right now.
Hayi ngiyakuvuma.
Ngiyabonga. And then now lastly can you give us a word of the day?
The word of the day.
Yes.
But only today.
Just it doesn't matter ukuthi umuntu uzoyizwa next week or next year but ilizwi mhlawumbe oyazi ukuthi mawungalisho right now lingashintsha someone's life.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu engingakusho umuntu nomamele ekhaya ubalekile ukuthi ungasabi zithembe and then uNkulunkulu esakuphila ithuba ngokuphefumula there's something ekhona kuwena. It's not over.
It's not over. Siyabonga zithande zithembe as long as usaphila uNkulunkulu ekhona. There's a purpose and don't give up.
Amen.
Kuye kuthi ekena kunelizwi bengilibhalile izolo elithi iphupho alifi umnikazi saphila.
Injalo.
So that's what you're saying.
Yeah.
Siyabonga kakhulu guys. Ngibonge kakhulu but I'm rooting for you. I can't wait for those days. Sizobe sihlangane endaweni because I believe ukuthi we just formed a relationship. Sizosebenzana sonke. We are here as well ukupromote mhlawumbe na next time makunoshintsho khona. This is home where we can always update our people. uNkulunkulu akuhlenge agcine kubonga umoya wakho. Unomoya omnandi ke unomoya ogroundayo. Thank you so much for that. uNkulunkulu akusize akuhlenge nezingane ngoba sometimes njengoba neBhayibheli lisho ukuthi izono zethu zowela phezulu kubantwana bethu nezizukulu zezizukulu. So it goes back to what you said, indlela oziphatha ngayo it goes a long way. Indlela ophatha omunye umuntu it goes a long way. We don't want izono zethu i-decision engiyenza manje ngilimaza omunye umuntu bese iyolimaza izizukulu zami nezizukulwana zabo. So guys, ma social platforms kaMthetheleli Mbonani kuwo wonke ama social platforms, go there uhambe uyobheka ukuthi what is all about, and then une afternoon drive at 3 to 6 ebizwa ngani kanje Azana. Yes, please go, just go there. It's a gospel segment.
No, it's
general. It's general.
Yeah.
Just go there, indulge yourself. Yenzeka Monday to Friday. Thank you so much. Ni subscribe guys, ni share, ni hambe ni follower, ni mamelo music guys. You don't understand ukuthi whatever mani engage nathi ishintsha kanjani impilo yethu. Keep on going. Kwenze lokho kwenza nakithi nakwabanye abantu, because we are nothing without you. Subscribe, ni share, ni comment, ni like. Cela ungivalele.
Ngithande igama le show
unscramble.
Ngithande
unscramble phela ngisho amaqanda la enziwe ahlikizeka kanje.
Yeah.
So sizama ukulungisa lempilo zethu ezihlekizekile. We trying kunomuntu right now ucabanga ukuthi sekuphelile. Kodwa njengoba uhleli lana wena njengomuntu mhlambe anokumbona eTV ayazi ukuthi nawo awuvelanga wafike wafika nje wena wabalana ukhona. You started somewhere.
True.
You started somewhere, so it's okay ukuthi lapha khona akaqhubeke consistently uzoza afike la. That's the whole purpose.
Wow, powerful. Ngiyathanda legama, ngiyathanda kakhulu. Ngibonga kakhulu nami kuningi ngithole kona. Ngithole kuwena, ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ningamukele la ekhaya. So nje ngiyazi ukuthi imessage ifikile kubantu and bazoba right, ngeke basabe, ngeke bathuke, bazophila nabagulayo bazophila. Izinto zibe right.
One question engikhohle ukukubuza, wena ne Resonation nihlangane kanjani? Very important ngikhohle i-Resonation uSobreeze soprano. Yes.
uSobreeze ufikile kimi ezoyenza interview ya radio station for music wakhe. It's when nje yabona okay kanye, and then ke ihlangana lapho kube mnandi sisebenzisane, kube mnandi umuntu alright. Yamazi.
Yes.
So nje ngiyambonga kakhulu ukungikhumbuza indoda kakhulu esisebenza naye nomsebenzi omuhle enoyaphambili. Ngibonene namanje ubusy nomsebenzi wakho omusha. So sihlangana kanjalo ke ukuthi singene sisebenze kwi-interview kanti naye mfethu kuba ngisho ukuthi umunye umuntu nomphathe kahle nawe mfethu yazi kunento so yabona ukuthi nabe ubuntu ukuvulela eminye iminyango. Nakho namhlanje ngila ngenxa yakhe othena ethi mfethu ngizokukhulumela manje hayi kumele uvele lapha yana kusekhaya lapha uzokuphatha kahle nangempela zamtshela ukuthi hayi mfethu ngibonile kusekhaya. So ngiyabonga kakhulu sahlangana kanjalo ke nami ngoba sengizibona ngile ekhaya.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate. This is home uqinisile. Nakusasa noma uzoyingathi uyanetha imvula ungasabe uzonqonqoza eminyango.
No, ngibonga kakhulu.
Ngicela ungivalele ke. Si right khona ufuna uyisho.
Isi right kakhulu. Right ngomoyeni wami ngiright, emoyeni wami ngithokozile, ngijabulile ukuthi nje aye phambili lo msebenzi.
Fake it until you make it. Yabo lelo gama namhlanje ngizokwenza lokho. Angeke ngisacomplaina. I'm gonna go buy myself a coffee ngalo 50 rand ngihlale nama millionaire. Ngizwile mina.
Powerful.
We out.